Hi, to activate chat bubbles on your OnePlus Nord Free, as a first step, open your default Messages app. In my case, it will be Google Messages. And here on the top of the screen, select your profile icon to go in the Messages settings. And after that, you will see the section Bubbles. So now you have three options. The first one, nothing can bubble, so this mode simply will be disabled, or selected conversations can bubble, or all conversations can bubble. So let's choose the first option and save the changes by simply going back. Now let me just take my other device, send a message to myself, and show you how this works and how this will look. And here is the bubble. You can just tap it and open this floating window chat. Here you can immediately answer the person like that. You can close it so you'll see only the icon, which you can drag anywhere across the screen. You can also tap on the plus and select another conversation here. You can also close this window at all or open this app. And that's it, how it works. Hope this video was helpful and thank you for watching.